Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today here at crypto.com, looking at crypto. Now, our crypto is the CRO. Now be sure to stay tuned. We're going to reverse something that we did before, and I'll show you that trick. So here we go. Crypto has been holding steady. So the last 6 months we've had a precipitous drop, according to this chart. So that's bad, but we're going to be going higher as soon as Bitcoin decides to start going higher once again. Now we're kind of been trapped in a range for the past month or so, between 28 and 32. You guys know the whole story, right? Drop down, and then we're kind of in a range. It's kind of crazy. Great buying opportunity. I'm accumulating, just not on this exchange. You guys see my videos, be sure to subscribe. Alright, see I have that leftover SVN, like 2 cents of it from the last staking experiment that I did, where I staked HKN and SVN together over at the MMO, and at over 100,000% interest. That's kind of nuts. But anyway, what we're doing today, why we're here, we're doing a reverse CROnos bridge. So the reverse CROnos bridge is going to bring assets back into here so I can stake them. So I need to go from the CROnos, now, confirm, into crypto.org. You can see I have 930 CRO outstanding. So I want to take like 500 of that and bring it back over the bridge. Alright, and I want to say confirm to see the network fee 0.13947. Okay, so this used to be a fraction of a CRO, and the fees have gone way up, unfortunately. I'm not sure if that's because of the price of the CRO is so low, or just because they're getting greedy and want to charge more. Anyway, it's still cheaper than Ethereum, so I can't complain too terribly much, I guess. So anyway, you can see we have 1.193 CRO. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go back and I want to earn. I want to make another stake. You can see I have all these stakes in here now, and I do 1,000 lots. So next one, we'll see what we got going on. Alright, so let's say earn more, CRO, and I don't want to do 1,200, but I will do 1,000. So I do 1,000, another 1,000 stake. And next we got to pick where we want to go. So we want to try to stay away from people who have a lot. Alright, you can see voting power. You want that to be low, but you want uptime to be high. Alright, so that's the key. And you don't want high fees either, so that would be good too. And you want a good interest rate. So there's the construct. 0.1 and 99.9%. That's pretty good. I'd like to see a little higher. Alright, you get 12% here, 99.99 at Galaxy. That's not bad, but their interest, their voting power is kind of high. I mean, it's not super high. I'd like to see a 0 there, but let's see what else we got, just because. Okay, 0.2%. I mean, that's not really super high, right? So, ooh, it looks like we're getting higher as we go lower, so that's no good. Ooh, yeah, when you get up into the 10% range, that is way too much power. But here we go. Okay, 0.09. I like that. But the uptime is only 99.86. Okay. Pickle Rick. That's hilarious. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Surf Crypto, 0%. Looks like they're offering something. See, the WordPay 0%, they're probably under some kind of restriction right now. And Stakely.io, don't want that. 97%, that's too low. Let's go back to the beginning. Alright. So we could try Sagittarius. They're pretty good. 99.91. Attention required. Please be aware this validator has been flagged. Oh. Okay, let's not do that. You gotta watch out for some of these guys. They'll drop it and then jack it up all of a sudden. Obsidian. Okay, interest rate's a little low. Defi. A little low. Construct. Okay. So I saw that one before and I mentioned it. Let's try that one actually. I think that's probably a good one. I'm going to go with that. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. I'm going to say confirm validator. And we'll go back and look at all the ones that I have. They want a 2% commission. I guess, okay. I mean, it varies, right? It goes anywhere from 0. I've seen it as high as 5.5%. So you can go through and check them out. You can see the ones I have so far: Nebcast, Asgard, Galaxy Staking. Oh, and I have Uranus, Neptune, the Abyss, and I have the Construct now. Alright, cool. So I usually let these go up to about 2 CRO, and then I harvest. I claim the rewards and restake. That way I can get some compound interest. So be sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for more. And this is good passive income. It's not bad. Where else can you get 10%? Not at Bank of America, not at Wells Fargo. Good luck. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.